Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video. And your daily update, I wanted to say on Manta, but I believe I did not cover it yesterday. I'm not sure, but then we have enough to talk about in this video. So let's get right to it. I mean, first of all, let's take a quick look at the fundamentals. I always try to do that with Manta. Had a bit of a drop, but this makes me believe I did check it out yesterday because I remember this total value locked amount. Well, doesn't matter. Had a bit of a drop here, but nothing disastrous. I mean, it's still very bullish. It's still very much going up. All right. So fundamentally, I would say Manta is still doing good. What's more important to Manta at this moment, though, is the market and its own momentum. I mean, what you can see right now, unfortunately, I would say, but what you can see is that the correlation between Manta and Bitcoin is getting much higher. All right. So what that means is that Manta just kind of looks at Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is doing, and the movement of Manta is dependent on that. Now, Manta's movement on its own right now, I would say, is pretty weird. All right. We basically rejected the bullish momentum, which I expected we would get more of. I mean, the last time I covered it, which I kind of doubt when I made this, but last time I covered it, I was pretty bullish, right? I thought we could get some more bullish momentum up to $3 and 3.05, which we did, but then the rejection was so bad, and we instantly also dropped down below this trend line, which, I mean, the trend line is not necessarily the uptrend, but then we took a break retest, which is bearish. No reaction or no strong reaction to the EMAs, and now we've had a big bearish breakout. So I would say we've lost the bullish momentum, but then the question kind of becomes like, is this then a bearish flag? All right, so that we have strong bearish momentum, some sort of a flag, and that now will continue dropping down to 2.5 and lower. And I also would not say that that's the case. So at this moment, I don't think Manta is bullish, and I also don't think it's bearish. It's consolidating. And we're waiting for some confirmation. And that's also very much what Bitcoin is doing. At the very top, at least here. I think here at the top, Bitcoin is just consolidating and waiting to either get a bullish breakout and to rally up to 50,000, or to get a bit of a pullback below 47,500 to drop down to 46,000. So first of all, I mean, if you're analyzing Manta, if you're trading Manta, just have a look at Bitcoin, right? Have a look at what Bitcoin's doing. In terms of getting momentum one way or the other way, and Manta's momentum is going to depend on that. And for now, if I just look at Manta, I would say it's in this range, all right? So between 2.7, maybe a little bit lower, and then at the top $3. I think that's the range, all right? Assuming that we're in a consolidation, which I will assume because the EMAs are also pretty flat here, and just in general, when EMAs are flat and when they're not being respected that much, which I also do think is the case, we're in a consolidation. Now, if we look at the momentum, which was also pretty good yesterday or the day before, that was also one of the reasons why I was quite bullish on Manta. The momentum has also dropped down quite a bit now, and this is also just pretty flat at the moment. So I would say it's most likely that Manta would just continue in this consolidation, all right? So that right now we'll actually get up to our main resistance level, or the range in the middle at 2.85, 2.8. I think we'll find some resistance there, but at this moment I do think it's most likely that we'll respect the market structure. So that we'll break above that level, slowly rally back up to $3. And then at some point of time, but at this moment, there's absolutely no clear direction. At some point of time, we'll see some sort of momentum start to build up. We'll see where most of the liquidity is. We can take a look at that as well right now. That might add some value to your lives. And then based on that, we can gain some sort of a sense of direction. But now you can also see, I mean, there's basically liquidity to the upside and the downside. So there's no value in that. At this moment, I think this is most likely, that we'll just stay in this consolidation, and I'll keep you updated on this, all right? If some sort of a breakout is coming, I'll keep you updated. Have a look at Bitcoin. If Bitcoin gets some sort of a pullback, so if it breaks down below 47,600, then there's a possibility, which you should know, and it's a very realistic possibility, that Manta fails to hold 2.7, which would just make it drop down towards 2.55 and 2.5 again. And from there, probably we'll set up some sort of a consolidation there. But again, I'll keep you updated. For now, this is what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description and the pinned comment. That's up to you. For now, have a great day and bye.